Congratulations on joining the UNCG Department of Library and Information Studies. We look forward to working with you as both a student and a colleague. Your online orientation consists of 5 modules with a short quiz at the end of each module. You must complete the quiz at the end of each module before you can move on to the next module. You are expected to complete the online orientation prior to starting classes in your first semester. Each module ranges from 5 to 10 minutes in length. Module 1 provides information about the technology requirements of the UNCG LIS department. In this module, we will learn about technology requirements in the Department of Library and Information Studies, the Canvas Learning Management System, the Blackboard Collaborate web conference system, UNCG email, and UNCG apps for education. Hardware requirements for the program include a computer, Windows-based or Apple. Please note you can access Collaborate with a phone or tablet, but the functionality is reduced. Completing the entire program with just a tablet will require using web-based application tools and other workarounds. So if you have a full-fledged computer, that will be the best way to complete this program. You must have access to high-speed internet. You must have access to a microphone headset that includes both the headphones and the microphone and plugs into your computer. You must have access to a webcam, and as noted, you can use a phone or a tablet, but the functionality is reduced. Software requirements. The UNCG IT department recommends and certifies only Firefox and Safari. However, many faculty members use Chrome. It is not recommended but works well for most features. You must have an Adobe Acrobat Reader program, and there will be other software that you will need to use as you go through the program, and those will be required by your instructor. This is the first page of the Canvas Learning Management System. We are just moving to Canvas. This is my first page, and as you can see, it is very limited, but you will have a link here for each one of your courses. You must use your UNCG user ID and password to access the system. Once in the system, you will see links to all the courses in which you are enrolled. The courses may not be available until the first day of classes. This is up to the discretion of the instructor. Your instructor will determine how much you will use the Canvas LMS, but some ways it can be used are posting articles for class, posting the class schedule and the syllabus, discussion boards, and many other features. UNCG IT will also post notices about campus IT issues. There are also apps for iPhone, Android, and iPad devices to use both Canvas and Blackboard Collaborate. Blackboard Collaborate is a web conferencing system. It is used for synchronous, real-time web conferencing. Web conferencing allows you to use audio and video as well as chat functions to communicate with your classmates and your instructor. You can use various functions such as raising your hand or clapping to interact with the class. Your instructor will determine if and how often they will use Collaborate in their classes, so please check the syllabus for each class to get more information. You will need to update Java to use Collaborate. There are apps for iPhone, iPad, and Android to use Blackboard Collaborate, but some features are disabled. This is the front page of iSpartan, which is the UNCG Google Mail email interface. UNCG email is the official email channel for the university and the department. All correspondence will come through your UNCG account. You should check this account on a regular basis. You will not maintain other email addresses. You can also forward email to another account, but maintain your ability to send emails from this system. As noted, iSpartan is UNCG's implementation of Google Apps for Education, and you can see all of these apps: Gmail, Calendar, Google+, Google Sites. Any and all of these applications may be required by your instructor. You can create your capstone website using Google Sites. You can share documents, presentations, or spreadsheets with faculty and students using Google Drive, and keep up with your time using the calendar. You also have access to Google Hangouts to collaborate with faculty and students in real time using video and/or voice. Congratulations! You have completed the Module 1, Technology. Please take a short quiz to continue with the orientation modules.